In Cantonese, we don't say rest in peace. Instead, we would say on sick, on sick. On means peace or peaceful, and sick means rest or resting. And when you combine them together, it means rest in peace. Another term to say is 一路走好,一路走好. 一 means number one, and 路 means the road. And when you combine them together, it means a pathway. And 走 means to walk, and 好 is good. And this idiom is wishing that the deceived will have a good journey to the afterlife or nirvana. However, when you say this, to make sure you're saying 一路走好 instead of 一路好走, because 一路好走 is usually a term that an older generation telling a younger generation to wish them a good future. If you get confused and use 一路走好 instead, you are basically telling them to die soon, which that is not good. So next time when you want to say rest in peace in Cantonese, make sure you say on sick or 一路走好, and definitely not 一路好走.